So we finally got it done. We got the LL 120 RGB Corsair fans put in to finish up the PC. Come across here. We add another one back here. Thinking about doing those. What do you guys think about that? Like, give me some comments on the video here. I think we should switch these two out and add those babies in. I think it would look really good with all of them being like that, because like, see, the lights only come from the inside on these fans right here, whereas these have RGB lights on the outside and in the inside. So that is my baby now. She is completely done right now. It is my baby. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really in love with the fans and how it turned out, and it looks super good in this case. That's why I was thinking about putting those white ones up there. And then we got the new monitor. We are actually streaming right now while I'm making this. And then we got this bad boy here, the X1 or whatever you want to call it, Xbox One X. All right, peace.